Before the XU1 became a legend, there was one lightweight weapon that shocked Australia and rewrote the rules of performance: the 1970 Holden LC GTR Torana. Small body, huge attitude, and a story every car lover needs to hear. What's up, everyone? Subscribe to my channel. Today we're stepping into the world of raw Australian muscle. The world of classic legends, the world where engineering, grit, and pure attitude collide. And at the center of that world stands a machine that doesn't just deserve respect. The 1970 Holden LC GTR Torana, a car born from competition, sculpted for performance, and embraced by generations of enthusiasts who know that real power isn't always about size, it's about spirit. So sit back, lock in, and let's explore one of the most iconic performance coupes ever to roll out of an Australian factory, a car that still fires up hearts more than 50 years after its debut. Now imagine this, it's 1970. The Australian automotive scene is heating up. Ford is flexing with big, brutal V8 Falcons. Chrysler is tinkering with its own weapons. But Holden decides to shake the entire continent by doing something different, something lighter, sharper, and faster. Something made to carve corners, attack tarmac, and show that displacement isn't the only path to domination. The result, the LC GTR Torana, the compact coupe that became one of the most feared names on street and circuit alike. This wasn't just a car, it was a warning shot to every rival manufacturer. Holden didn't just step into the performance arena, it kicked the door down. The LC Torana platform brought a new level of refinement to handling, with a shorter wheelbase and tighter dynamics that made it feel alive in the driver's hands. And the GTR badge wasn't slapped on casually, it was earned through serious engineering. Under the bonnet lived a spirited 161 or 186 cubic inch 6-cylinder engine, depending on the configuration, tuned for maximum response. These engines weren't about lazy torque, they were about crisp throttle feel and rev-hungry eagerness. They gave the lightweight Torana something no heavyweight V8 could replicate: agility, precision, a willingness to dance through corners rather than bully its way through them. Every detail of the 1970 GTR Torana was created with one goal in mind: performance. From the factory sports instrumentation to the aggressive exterior lines, every inch of this coupe was built to be a driver's car. The twin headlights, the tight body proportions, the coupe profile that seemed to be in motion even when parked, it all contributed to a presence that was sleek, fast, and unmistakably Holden. This wasn't a showpiece. This was a weapon designed to hit the open road and make you feel like you owned every inch of it. Behind the wheel, the LC GTR Torana had a personality that even half a century later feels raw, immediate, and unfiltered. There's no electronic babysitting, no traction control, no computer stepping in to smooth out your mistakes. What you feel, what you hear, what you control, that's all real. The engine note rising as you push through the gears. The chassis communicating every bump, every ripple of the road, the steering wheel responding to your input instantly like an extension of your own hands. This is driving in its purest form, and the LC GTR Torana wasn't just built for it, it perfected it. And look, you can't talk about this car without talking about its influence. The LC GTR wasn't just a spirited sporty coupe, it was the foundation for the legendary XU1 that would soon follow, a car that would take Bathurst by storm and become one of the most celebrated Holden products ever made. But even before the XU1 nameplate entered motorsport folklore, the GTR already had fans lining up, already had owners bragging, already had car lovers predicting that this little Torana would become a collectible masterpiece. They were right. Today, genuine LC GTRs, especially matching numbers cars, fetch serious money because enthusiasts know exactly what they're getting: authenticity, heritage, and a driving experience no modern car can imitate. But beyond the stats, beyond the engine codes, beyond the auction prices and collector hype, the thing that makes the 1970 LC GTR Torana special is the connection it creates. Anyone who's driven one knows the feeling. That moment when you turn the key and the straight six fires to life. That moment when you settle into the seat and grip the wheel. That moment when you realize you're about to pilot a living piece of Australian history. This car makes you feel more alive, more connected, more plugged into the road, the machine, and your own instincts. That's what classic performance cars are supposed to do, and the LC GTR does it better than most. Even standing still, the LC GTR Torana radiates confidence. The coupe shape is clean and compact, the stance is assertive, and the lines flow with a balance that very few cars of the era managed to achieve. This wasn't a bulky brute. This was a sleek precision instrument, and when you pair that with the bold paint options Holden offered, with the sporty steel wheels, with the minimal yet functional interior design, you get a car that feels timeless, stylish, cool in a way only a classic Australian performance coupe can be. For the people who owned them knew the LC GTR was freedom. It was Friday nights at the servo. It was long open highways with nothing but possibilities ahead. It was pride, thrill, identity. And for younger generations discovering it today, it's a reminder that Australia didn't just follow the muscle car era. It helped shape it. The Torana line became legendary for a reason, and the LC GTR was one of the earliest and strongest pillars of that legend. So here's the truth: the 1970 Holden LC GTR Torana isn't just a car, it's a milestone. It's the blueprint for what a lightweight performance coupe should be. It's the spark that lit the fire for the Torana's massive impact on Australian motoring. And every time one hits the road today, it turns heads, sparks conversations, and reminds everyone around that true automotive greatness never goes out of style. What's up, everyone? Subscribe to my channel, and if you enjoyed diving into this piece of pure Australian performance history, make sure you hit that like button. Drop a comment telling me your favorite Torana model, and stay tuned for the next deep dive into another legendary machine. The LC GTR Torana remains one of the most iconic performance coupes ever built, and sharing its story is a privilege. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.